Hello everyone. Today let's talk about half oil seal and the rear wheel oil seal. This oil seal made of rubber and metal. The color is black and the size is internal diameter is 56 and the external diameter is 114. The sink is 10 and it has OEM number. The OEM number is MB308966. You can through the OEM number to find this oil seal. This seal also have many following features. The first one is vulcanized at low temperature and work with longer service life and more wear resistance, high temperature resistance and oil leakage prevention, mud per water and ticking spring, ticking skeleton. Look, this is a spring. And we also can provide the customers the service. If you are interested in this product, just send us our inquiries. We also can send you the free samples. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.